Hey gang, how you doing today? For some of the example problems, maybe even some of the more challenging theory, I'm gonna be using what they call a Livescribe Pencast. And for some of you who have never used it before, that kind of thing, I'm gonna do a quick tutorial here on how to do it. So go on into SAM. Now there's one under the three-phase transformers. Now group A is still finishing that off. Both groups are doing motors and motor theory. So I'm gonna go into motor theory. So once you log into SAM and you get into motor theory, go under content, and I have an example here under section 4, three-phase machines. So once you go in there, you'll see that it's labeled as Livescribe Pencast motor speed calculations example. So just click on it. Now it's going to come up as a PDF, and you'll be able to see the entire thing. So you'll see the Livescribe page. You'll also see my note page as I had written it. Now, the pen itself is a little bit of an older piece of technology. It's quite large. It's got a microphone into it. It's got a little computer chip into it. It's got a video camera into it. So it's quite large. So I know my writing isn't the greatest at the best of times, but now it's like trying to write with a Crayola marker with a fine tip on the end of it. So I'm trying my best. It'll get better as time goes on, I'm sure. So once you get to this page, you're going to have to download the PDF. So that's all I'm going to do is I'll hit the download bar. It'll come in here, and then I just click onto it. I'm going to save it somewheres. Anyways, I saved it just onto my desktop just to make this whole exercise easier and quicker. So once you save a copy of the PDF somewheres, you can then click. You can either open it up and click on the hypertext at the top. You can do that right from SAM. Doesn't matter where you do it from, but the hypertext will take you to the Livescribe player, and that'll open up another window for you automatically. And once you get this window, it's pretty straightforward. You can see there's the download box right here in the center of the screen, and all I got to do is drag my PDF into there, and it'll load the PDF into the player. Now, it's called Livescribe because it's got my scribing or scribbling or my writing here. And it records audio, so I can talk you through the sample problem. First of all, you can see the entire problem, so if you don't need the audio, you don't need to listen to it. You don't even need to download it. You can just look at it from SAM. But if you want to listen to it, all you have to do is press the play button down here. And then it'll start to play. And it'll play some audio in the background as I'm describing the problem, what the different parts mean, and how they relate to each other. But you'll also see the text turn in color.
We've gone through the reading.
So as I'm doing the commentary, the text is live. That's why they call it Livescribe.
Of the rotating magnetic field
so
is equal to
it's pretty straightforward. There's actually a phone app where you can download it onto your phone. I've never personally used that. Maybe some of you can figure that out. This is the way I know how to do it. There might be other ways to do it.
In the stator,
I'm not sure. Probably, most likely there is. You can even go to Livescribe itself and download a whole app onto your desktop where you can do all kinds of things once you load down the PDF. Anyways, this is another tool that I'm going to use. Hopefully this little tutorial has been helpful for you. You can pause it anywhere along the way. You can rewind it. Over here, there's a little timer, so you can actually speed it up or slow it down. And it acts just like a notepad video. So you can jump around to whatever part or parts are therein. Anyways, it's an older tool, but I still think it's a fairly effective tool. So I hope this works out for you. Give it a try. Leave me some comments. Send me some messages. Put something on Facebook. If you find another way to do it that works better for you, well, throw that up on Facebook, and so the rest of us can give it a try. There you go, gang. Good luck, and we'll be seeing you later.